Hello friends, in this video, we will learn all about Printify for beginners. Let's get into it now. Printify is an amazing platform that enables you to create high-end products with your own designs. They have the best selection of products available, robust scaling, and higher profit margins as compared to other print-on-demand services. So if we take a look at what they basically do, they provide you with template materials such as phone cases, t-shirts, sweatshirts, and so much more. You can create your own e-commerce store using Printify, where they will handle the creation of shipping housing for all of your products. And all you have to do is design, so if you're a designer, you're an artist, and you want to focus on the design aspect of your business. Here I am on the dashboard. First of all, I am going to show the pricing system for Printify. Let's have a look at it. Here you can see there are 3 plans, and you can choose any of them. The first plan is free, that is for a starting business, and you do not have to pay a single dollar for it. On it, you can launch 5 stores per account. The second plan is the premium plan, which is for growing businesses. You have to pay $24.99 per month, and you can launch 10 stores here. Furthermore, the third plan, the enterprise plan, is basically for significant daily sales, where you can launch unlimited stores, and obviously, it will be more expensive than other plans. So let's get into it with a free plan and see how it works. Once you get in, you will be on the dashboard of Printify. On the right side of the page, you will see multiple features. Just scroll down and have a look at them. If you see the left side of the dashboard, you will find different options, like catalogs. If you click on it, you can choose your product from the variety of products. The other option is My Product, where you can launch your product in the store. Then there are orders. With this option, you will know how many orders you have received. Now the wallet has 3 sub-options: payments, taxes, and rewards. Then you will get the option of store settings, from which you can set up your store. Let's have a look at some of the settings options, like the ship from address, order settings, Printify contacts, and branding. Now, if we go further down, here is the option of Printify Premium. From here, you will get the premium plan. Close it right now. If we further scroll down, you will see the option of Need Help. If you need any kind of help, you can use this. Then, furthermore, there is Printify Academy and many more. Let's move to the catalog and select the product. I am going to select here, T-shirts. From here, you can choose the branding. And I am going to select these beefy T-shirts with short sleeves. Now let's design it. For this, click on the Start Designing Form button on the right side. Here, you can design your shirt. You can change the front side from here, as well as the back side of the shirt. Let's design the front side of the shirt first. I am going to add a sticker to it. So, I am going to click on my device to select my sticker or picture to paste on the shirt. Once it is pasted on shirts, drag it and fix it in the right place. If you want to change the side of the sticker, you can simply click on it, and some options will appear. Through these options, you can change the side of the picture or sticker on the shirt. You can change the background of the shirt. You also get the option to delete if you don't want to paste the picture on the shirt. You can delete it from the bin icon here. On the right side, you can get the option to generate an image from AI. You can also send custom text from here. Let's add the text here. I am going to add my text here as HS Production. You can fix it, simply drag and drop. And we can also use the other options to fix it properly. If you click on the robot, you can change the handwriting and the display of the text. select the text of your choice. You can also change the font size of the text. From here, you can change the color of the text you want to add to the shirt. And you can also add the emoji from here if you want to. Now I am going to fix the text. If you are done with the shirt and have made all the changes of your choice, click on the Save Product button on the right side. Now it's time to add the product description. I have already added here a product description. In this form, you can select the size of your product. You can also add your store from here. For this, just go to My New Store from the top left side. You can add your store here, like Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Walmart, Spotify, and many more. Just scroll down and click on Connect to the store of your choice. So that's all about Printify for beginners. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.